I will start with my background. I'm a senior engineer in the wafer fab industry. To maintain the equipment 24/7 hours, to make sure the equipment is in operation at all times. What I need to do is to maintain the equipment by changing large quantity amount of chemicals. When I do that, I need to wear the PPE, and I also need to put on half mask. And after the maintenance, take out all the PPE, you find that my cell is soaked with water. That kind of environment, so it's a very challenging environment. And on 2016, I will have this opportunity given by Prof. DPCM, Prof. Medasi, offer me a job to work in R&D department. I take out the offer. I'm appreciated in the beginning when I start on board as a safety officer. Prof. D and Prof. Slomo allowed me to take the part-time course to obtain this WSH officer's qualification. So it enhanced me the skills and knowledge to better manage the safety in the laboratories. For a start, all the new members join into this share program. They will go through my safety training. What are the safety aspects? What are the emergencies response they need to do in case of emergency like fire, or there is some explosions? Where is the nearest escape route? Where is the nearest fire safety equipment? What are the safety equipment inside the lab we have? I will conduct a regular safety inspection together with the researcher in rotating basis. Everyone will have a shared responsibilities of safety. Safety is not just one person. It has to be from everyone. Because safety officer is just one person, I cannot oversee all 24 hours on the safety. So we need the researcher to help. So that is why we engage the researcher to come on board together with this safety inspection. My plan is to have this safety engagement meeting. It's an official platform that everyone can sit down, share their experience, so that they are aware that such incident happen, what is the learning point. And also we will address some inspections, unsafe conditions that we have observed and require the researcher to follow up after the meeting. This is part of responsibility for the PI and for the researchers to contribute in these WSH activities. And lastly, I will promote the safety awareness program. We need every researcher to participate in safety program like, for example, safety days, fire drill. We have some wellness talk. We will encourage all the researchers to participate. On top of all this, I actually also request for additional resource for the researcher to attend the first aider course so that they can be trained and equipped with the skill as a first aider. Not a story, many stories I can share. Probably I will share two stories. The first one leave a very great impression and impact to me is during COVID period. Started in 2019 and our circuit breaker start in 2020. So at that point of time, in the beginning, my job I appoint as a safe management officer for COVID-19 measure implementations. And it is a very dynamic environment at that time. The changes of measure is like weekly. Starting from circuit breaker, everyone cannot come to work. We have to be scheduled in a staggered manner. The moment when government release people allow people to come to work, that is a bit challenging for me because everyone also want to come to continue their experiment and rush up the program report. So that is the moments that I need to liaise with different group of projects PI or directors. So we have to juggle between the measures and the progress of the program. Post COVID, the measure is still there. People may not so willing to take out the mask. Some people may not so willing to come back to work. After post-COVID, when I start with these safety engagement meetings, not many people like to come on site. They prefer to be online, which I have a few online safety engagement meetings during COVID period, which is also good. It's a learning experience for me to use Zoom. It's a new skill. This COVID let us has the opportunity to taste how to work from home, how to manage between family time and working time. Now I want to share a second story. The beginning when I joined Share, accident happened inside the lab. And luckily this accident is happened when they're doing chemical synthesis inside a film hook and the thing exploded. Lucky that he is not seriously injured. But after that incident, we learned a lot. We have to be more strict in allow people to start work only after they have this risk assessment. And they have to complete my safety training before they are allowed to work inside the lab, follow their risk assessment, wear the proper PPE when they conduct the experiment. Okay, CunnyShare has 4 programs, which Cell IG, SGSR, iServe, MLID. I face challenges, need to juggle of resources and time to allocate for these 4 programs. In applying the licensings, I need to liaise with the vendor, BMO, and the program manager. So I need to juggle between my time to spend on others programs, to spend some times in helping the new program, which also requires some time to prepare the documents, necessary process, and training. So these are the challenges I'm facing, resources and time. Yeah. Imagine it applicable to all the organization and even a country. Looking at Singapore, what makes Singapore different compared with surrounding country? The leadership. So what I think the most important and critical aspects of maintaining the safe working environment is the leadership that makes the difference. Leadership from directors supporting on the safe work environment, safety awareness program, safe work practices. We can come up and implement a safety management system which everyone will follow. After that, then we can create this safety behavior. So with starting from leadership, come to proper safety management systems such as SS506 or ISO 40005. With all these systematic managements, then we can create this safety culture. With their support, we will have the power to ensure and enforce the researcher follow all those safety protocol and safety practices. So everyone is working in a safe work environment with the leadership support.